Make sure and finish your timesheet since they're due tomorrow, and then make sure that you guys put that it's a 7-hour day. My name is Rachel Leib, and I'm the Project Search Instructor for Moore Public Schools and Norman Regional Health System.
My name is Pierson Hamlin with Moore Public Schools. They let us graduate first before they do the program, and so pretty much I already have my diploma.
This opportunity is there for students with disabilities to receive training and help transition into the workforce. It's really a joy to get to take these students through post-secondary life together and just to know that they're going to have a smoother transition because of a program like Project Search. The first hour of the day we spend time learning about these different skills: team building, workplace safety, self-advocacy, technology, maintaining employment, financial literacy, health and wellness, preparing for employment, and social and communication. So we also get to spend time in a variety of departments here.
So I'm heading to stream to my locker, putting my things away.
Our program's been really well received because it's kind of stemmed from the top down.
Norman Regional is kind of like the best place.
And I just think that it's made such a difference in knowing how welcome we are, how appreciated we are. People are just grateful for the partnership, and we feel that.
Yeah, totally official.
Project Search is not just for students who want to work in a hospital setting after the program. It's actually a program that teaches transferable job skills.
In the OR over here, I take cleaning carts. When they're done with operating on a patient, I take them to the sterilization, and it's a long walk to the ground floor, so I have to go back and forth, back and forth. So if you follow me, I'm taking a cart down. Yay!
One of the joys of teaching this program is getting to see the growth in confidence and independence in our students.
Here we go.
So yes, we are teaching job skills, how to communicate with the boss.
I just need to get something.
We're teaching all of those skills, but in all of the things, the most important part is seeing confidence build in our students and just seeing how much they become like adults, but also that they believe in themselves. And then they realize how capable they are.
There's so many employees and good workers here in the OR. I love them, seeing their smile faces every day. I love seeing everybody, and I love making people happy every day.
He's been an excellent intern in there, communicating really well with them, so much so that the OR reached out and said that they would like to hire him.
Officially, yay, with part-time or full-time.
This year we have a tiny but mighty group.
Taylor is representing Moore High School, yeah. Destiny is representing Westmore, and I'm representing from Southmore High School.
And we are really looking to grow. And so what I like to also tell people is Project Search is for a range of students, a range of abilities. It's students who have all types of different needs.
If you try this program, it's amazing. You can learn so many things and learn from the bottom to the top and reach new heights each and every day.